Hi guys, my name is Faye and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Phaye Mailu and welcome to my channel. So this will be the look that I'll be doing for today's tutorial. Yeah, I had not done a blue cut crease yet on my channel and I decided today to give it a shot because it's such a gloomy day and I think blue is the appropriate color. Like I felt like doing a bright color like an orange or neutrals, it just doesn't go well with today's weather. Plus I'm wearing a sweater because it's really cold, so I decided, let me do blue because it's also matching my sweater. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, they're both at Phaye Mailu. If you find today's video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also check out the description box because I'm going to list the makeup that I'm going to be using today if anything isn't clear during the video. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Comment down below and tell me how your year is going, kama inakupeleka haraka vile yangu inanipeleka, cause oh my, it's September. Yeah. Anyways, with that being said, let's just jump right into the tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows and I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm just going to use that to brush up my brows and set them in place. And then I'm going to take a brown eye pencil and I'm just going to use this to fill in my brows. To clean up my brows, I am first going to take the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer. And for the top part of my brows, I am going to use foundation and I'm using the Maybelline Fit-Me in the shade 335. So now I'm going to go and do my eyeshadow off camera. I'm going to start with this side, then I'll come back and we'll do this eye together. First thing I did was prime my eyelids, and I'm just going to put the concealer on the outer part of my eye because as you can tell I'm doing a cut crease, so I don't want to put anything on this part of my eyelid because that's where I'm going to cut my crease, so that it doesn't have a lot of product. So I'm just going to keep the concealer on the outer part of my eye first. So I first went in with the shade Bronzed, which is a light brown, this one, and I'm just going to use that to sort of set this concealer. And as you can see, it's not very pigmented, like it's not showing on my skin, and that's what we want to use for like a transition shade, because I want to make sure this blue, like it blends nicely into my crease. So next I'm going in with a blue shade, and it's the shade I love, this one right here, and I'm sort of shaping it where I want my cut crease to be. And then next I go in with a black eyeshadow, and the shade that I'm using is Midnight. And then taking a different brush, I'm going to go in with a lighter blue shade, and I'm using this one, Blessed. And then the last shade that I'm going to use will be the shade Private Island. And this one I'm taking it on a fluffier brush so that I can easily blend out everything. So now I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm going in with the same eyeshadows, and I'm starting with the darkest blue. So the first thing I'm going to do is to contour, and I'm using the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. And then for foundation, I'm still using the Maybelline Fit-Me. And then to concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer. Let me set underneath my eyes. But for the other parts of my face, I'm just going to use a brush, because I feel like I have more precision with a brush than this. But this is good for underneath the eye. It just looks so good. And the setting powder I'm using is Sacha Buttercup. Okay, let me go and smoke out my lower lash line, then I'll come back and we can do blush. So now I'm just going to bronze my face a little bit and then put some blush. So I'm just putting on some blush. So for my lips, I'm going to take a brown lip liner. I'm doing a nude lip. So I'm taking a brown lip liner and I'm outlining my lips. So I just put on some gloss. This is the gloss I used, but any clear gloss will do. And I put on hoops and I styled my hair. And this will be the finished look for today's tutorial. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon when you're subscribing so that you can get notified the next time I upload. If you found this video helpful, share it and comment down below and tell me, how you've been doing. How is September? Like, oh my god, mwaka ndo hii inaisha, nilianza tu jana. Anyways, yeah guys, that's it for today. Till next time, bye.